Hello my dear friends, this is an announcement about Trendy Techlogical and Trendy Techtrends. In Trendy Techlogical, you can see only Adobe Photoshop videos. And in Trendy Techtrends YouTube channel, you can see about all software installation tutorials. And also, I will provide the download links of the softwares in the Telegram channel. So please join in the Telegram channel for the latest softwares and updates. And coming to this video, I am providing the Adobe Photoshop latest version, that is April release. You can download this software from the Telegram channel. I will update the links in the Telegram channel. You can download from there. So please do subscribe to Trendy Tech Tips and Trendy Techlogical YouTube channels, and please do support for the latest updates and softwares. Thank you my dear friends. I hope you will do subscribe to both channels and I know you will support me. Thank you. Bye bye now.